Hey everyone, I know I have not uploaded a video in the last week because I was not feeling well and was also busy working on a project. But now I am back with another exciting lecture on array in C++ that we will implement the code from basics to advanced. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So first, we will write the first code, that is declaring and printing the printing an array. I know you have completed your basic. Make sure to visit and check all the videos. Okay, so I will write the code. This is just a basic iostream. Yeah, okay. incl include iostream. Okay, so then our main code start from integer main, and then we are taking an array of size 5. Okay, and it's basically we are declaring an array and which include the element 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then we have to print the array, that is cout and write elements. Okay, and then just write it here, and then we for it means we have applying a loop through the array. Okay, so we apply the loop, that is it's basically less than 5, or we can say, yeah, we will apply this like I is less than 5, and in this we have to write just cout array at I. That's it, and we know that what we are writing in the last line, that is cout endl, and the last our base string, that is return 0. Okay, I hope we did not get any type of error. So let's run the code and we get the value, that is 1 2 3 4. So make it little bit user friendly. Let's run again, and yeah, we get the value, that is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, it means that is the array of size 5 and it's declaring the value 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, that is a loop iterate over the array and print each element one by one. The next one that I will, you can take a screenshot or you can take a make practice as well. So the next one, that is we are taking a array operation. Okay, so we know that there are a lot of operations in it, so we are taking one by one. That is, first we are taking inserting an element at a specific position. Okay, so let's write it again, and in this we are right now taking a other function called void. Okay, and in this we write insert, and in this we take a integer array and take it as a integer, then size as well. So and size. Okay, and then integer we are taking element, and the last one, that is the position, or we can say index, integer index. Okay, so in this we are writing like it's basically writing the other function as well. So in this we have to take a loop for this, like we are applying a for loop, that it's basically shifting element to the right. That is, for this we are writing for loop for integer I equals to what is the size, that size, and then we are taking, that is I is must be greater than equals to index, and then we are decreasing the value one by one, and after that we are writing array integer. Okay, so make sure to write this one as well, and that's it. And then we have to write the index, like what is the index of that, like array index, and then element as well. It's basically insert new element in it. If when you write this, so it's basically mean that we have to insert the new element in it, and then we have to just increase the size, that is size plus plus. Okay, this is the void function, and then our main function, that is we have to write integer main, and in this we have to just write first the array that we are taking, like let's take a 100 array, like size of array is 100 and we are taking just array element 5. Okay, and we are declaring it here, like take a comma and write size equals to 5, and we are just taking something, we don't have to do that. Okay, so we just make it size 5. Okay, and then we have to write insert and array, and then in this we have to write size, and then we are taking something like 103, right, like that. Okay, this means that it's insert 99 at index 2, or we can say that basically we are taking example of, sorry, this means that it's insert 100 at the index 3. Okay, and after this, like after this writing, we have to just print cout, that is array after insertion. Okay, and just make it, and then after that we have to apply the for loop for this, like what is the size exactly and all that stuff, and then we have to just print the cout and array, and our last line, that is return 0. So I hope we did not get any type of error. So let's run the code, and yeah, we get make it little bit suitable for you. Just a second, take some space and run again. So yeah, just check 7, yeah, 7 8 12 100 27 80, but we take the array that is 7 8 12 27 88. Okay, but now it's basically the size of array is increases, its size is 5, and in here the size is 6, that is 0 1, or you can say 1 2 3 4 5 6, basically take, just we write that we have to just add the index of 7 is 100, so we write it here, like we inserted the value 100 at index 3, that is its index was 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, and then 27 and 88. Okay, that is the, in short, it is basically the function shift element to the right to the create space. Okay, that is it's insert 99 at the index 3, and update the array size automatically, so you don't have to arrange, or we can say update the size manually. Okay.